Man, what an absolutely gorgeous day it is today. What's up, y'all? Dave here, Wild Hearts Farm, where we are working to live a more sustainable life, connected to nature and all that God has provided for us. It is a frigid day out here in southeastern North Carolina. And behind me is this beautiful chicken coop that we built, I want to say back in spring. So for those of you who've been following along, I posted a lot of videos on this build. It was a long process, but it turned out absolutely awesome. And I forgot that I had never actually given a tour of this chicken coop. So what I thought I'd do today is just start from the new coop all the way through the run, all the way back to the old coop, show you how we're using that right now, and give you guys the full tour of the mega coop. So come on, let's go check it out. All right, y'all, so the reason we actually built this coop is, this new coop is because, well, chicken math really is a thing, right? Like, best way for me to define chicken math, for every one chicken you buy, you will eventually buy 4 more to replace that one chicken, and so on and so on. So you end up with a lot of chickens. So we had a very small coop, and now we built this coop, and it has a really lot of cool designs. So this coop is 10 by 14, and I think it has like 9-foot ceilings in it, and can hold up to 30 plus chickens. So of course it's got a beautiful double doors here that we reclaimed from our last build, and I mounted these in here. I can fold open like that, which I think are just so incredibly slick, right? So as you walk in, you've got this great sort of seating. I guess we have a chair and a beautiful chicken pillow here. Seating / storage and work area, all right? This is kind of big for us. We want to have an area to consolidate all the chicken equipment and chicken gear, all the feed, and honestly have a nice little place to sit and enjoy the little birds, right? The chickens that we have here. And then through all of this chicken wire, of course, here is the main coop where all the chickens sit. We have, of course, our beautiful chandelier sitting in here. That is a trademark for Wild Hearts Farm. Every structure has to have a chandelier, no matter how big or small. Now it's not hooked up yet, so I still have to get electrical out here, but we're gonna get some power out here as well. But this is just a really cool seating area. So we have all of our feed right in this container right here. As you come around, we have a little workstation here. Bunch of snacks and treats in here. All of our herbs that we have from Eat and Pet and Pasture. Great organization there. Down here, first of all, beautiful wallpaper. My wife did a really good job of checking out all of this wallpaper, And here is her seating area. Cutest little chicken pillow there. And, she can come in here with a little glass of wine or whatever and hang out with the ladies, have some girl time. First of all, y'all check out the fabric here that my wife found. She just absolutely loves this fabric. But, under here, you have more of our storage. The hemp bedding. We actually love this hemp bedding, but know who loves the hemp bedding more are the chickens. The chickens absolutely love this hemp bedding from Eat and Pet and Pasture. So this is our beautiful seating area, and of course our awesome trademark chandelier. So this space right now I think is 5 by 10. All right, y'all. So this main coop area, this is I want to say 9 by 10, somewhere around there, close to like probably 10 by 10. What we have 2 very large foldable retractable roosting bars. We've got our nesting box, well, actually 3 bars, I guess. And then we have a little bit of window for ventilation. And this window actually opens and closes and will stay open too. It gets hot down here in North Carolina. We want to have a little bit of ventilation. But let me show you how these folding roosting bars work, because those were pretty cool. I saw the design, I don't even know where, online, I think, and kind of figured it out myself. But come on, check it out. So y'all, these are super useful when we're cleaning, because all you got to do is fold these legs up like this, fold these down, and then you can get all under here. And the large roosting bar works the exact same way. So it just comes in handy when we're cleaning everything. Now this next nesting box is from Hengear. We actually like it a lot. But of course my wife had to jazz it up and use the same print here. And you can see, you can actually grab the eggs from the outside instead of the inside. But yeah. Oh, and look who showed up. Hey. What's up? All right, y'all, so what you saw on the inside, now this is the outside, and this is our nesting box. This is a nesting box by Hengear, which is a pretty cool nesting box. We like it a lot. In order to collect the eggs, all you have to do is flip this open, and the eggs all sit down right in here. So we don't have to go actually into the coop to get the eggs. We really like this nesting box. It works out really well for us. And then what we have down here is what we call the poop chute. So, you know, there's a big area in there you have to clean. And when we want to completely clean out all of the bedding, all of that good hemp, eaten pet and pasture bedding, you just pop open this door, bring the tractor around, put the bucket under here, and just scoop it all out. There you go. That's it. It comes in super handy. So this is a cool little feature that we sort of developed here. And that's it. All right, y'all. So you can see the poop chute from the inside right there. And then finally, we have 2 exits out into the run. One on this side and then one over here. Honestly, sometimes the window becomes an exit. I don't know why. The chickens sometimes fly right through there. So come on, let me show you the outside too. This is a chicken cam. Chicken cam. All right, y'all, and then here's our run. So our run, I want to say is, 30 feet by 8 feet. And you can see how it butts up to the back of the chicken coop, and then of course down the side here. We just have some natural roosting bars that they seem to truly like. Whoa. And down the other side here. And the end connects down there with that old chicken coop. Now here is that temporary divider that we have available for us when we have some house guests like we do right now, and when we want to do that gradual introduction into the coop. So Charlie, our rooster here that we got with our last batch of meat birds, the surprise chicken, he is just loving this, because he is going to be the rooster for these new hens that we have right now. So I am 6'2", and as you can see, it's got to be at least, I don't know, 7-foot ceilings here. So tons of room for these birds to run around in here. All right, y'all, so something else we did was we incorporated our old coop into our new design. We had a couple different ideas of what we wanted to do with this coop. The initial idea, and what we have used it for in the past, is a brooder. So we've got plenty of room inside of here to raise all of our little baby chicks. Right now there aren't baby chicks in there, are there? To raise all of our little baby chicks. And I've got a video on that back there you'll actually see. But another reason to have it is when we want to integrate new chickens into our existing flock. So we use this temporarily. If you guys can see here, we've set up this divider right now. This is not a permanent divider. It's you can put it in and you can take it out. And as we integrate, especially like pullets, like older hens that aren't chicks, we want to give them time to sort of see each other within the run, get used to each other so they're not fighting too much, let them have their own space for a little bit, and then just slowly begin to integrate them. So right now we have 5 of these brand new pullets a neighbor of ours gave us. Oh, they're the cutest little hens too. And what we'll do is we'll keep them in this side of the coop separated. During the day, we'll let them out and let them all sort of free range around and get to know each other. At night, they all come back in. They stay separated here so they're not, you know, fighting too much. Eventually, we'll remove this divider and then let them all be out in the run, but at night have their space. And eventually, we'll seal this back off because we do have some baby chicks coming that we need this as brooder space, and then let them fully integrate and they will move naturally into the larger coop and begin roosting with the rest of the birds. So it's worked out really well. And I'm gonna now let these little ladies out because the rest of them are running around. I'll show you how I do that too. Come on, little ladies. Come on out, come on, come on. All right, y'all, so we're still not completely done with this coop. I am gonna be running electrical and we're gonna put some lights in the run. And of course, we're gonna need some heated lamps for in the brooder. Right now, we're just running extension cords from the house. But besides that, you know, I mean, the big stuff's done. So, and I'm super happy with the way this thing turned out. So if you guys go back and check some of the videos of how we built this whole coop, I got a lot of good videos, everything from, you know, foundation to actually moving this old coop and getting it back here, which is a kind of an interesting video. I got to admit, we had to really think outside the box to get that one done. But anyways, you know, we're really happy with the way it turned out. A lot of other good homestead and house tour videos, barn tour videos on our channel as well. So listen, if y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe because we have a lot more coming up. Thank you all for stopping by. We're really just loving it out here, working to live a sustainable life, connected to nature, all that God has provided for us. That's what we do, and build beautiful things. So until next time, y'all, thank y'all so much, and God bless.